Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a CRM in Airtable. To build a CRM in Airtable, start by creating a new base from scratch or using the CRM template. You can structure it with tables, fields, views, automation,